Hello friends, in last lecture we have seen vocabulary from 1.2 on saying please. Now today we will see examples from 1.2 on saying please about grammar. A for question. The question is edit the given paragraph using a and the wherever necessary. So we use articles a and the. Now the question is asked that to remove or to delete unnecessary articles from this answer. Rakesh is ideal son who remains devoted to his father as he grows professionally to become famous doctor. As his father grows old, he takes care to spend time with his father, bringing him tea morning and taking him out for the articles a and the. Rakesh is a or an ideal son. Of course, Rakesh is an ideal son. Why? Because ideal, this word is start or begins with the vowel sound I. So, an is here proper article. So, Rakesh is an ideal son who remains devoted to his father as he grows professionally to become a famous doctor. So, remove the article. As his father grows old, he takes care to spend time with his father, bringing him tea in the morning. The is a particular word for a morning. So, remove a. And taking him out for a walk in the evening. Now here remove the and then an. Now this is the proper paragraph removing particular articles a and an and the. Now second question, spot the errors in each of the following sentences and correct the incorrect ones. First, Radha brought pens and distributed them between her 5 children. Now we use between word for showing two things or two persons. So instead of a between, we will use the word among. Radha brought pens and distributed them among her 5 children. Now second, Jayashree and Sujata sat besides each other in complete silence. Two persons are given, Jayashree and Sujata, who sat beside. Here besides is given, encroach upon his rights. Next, she was taken with surprise when she saw the famous Taj Mahal. She was taken with surprise. Instead of a with, we will use into surprise. She was taken into surprise when she saw the famous Taj Mahal. Next, it is not possible to exchange the goods once the sale has been completed. So, has been is incorrect or words, and instead of a has been, we will use is. It is not possible to exchange the goods once the sale is completed. Next example, Dr. Sen Gupta has been trying to master the craft for the last 5 years. So, one article is not here given. Not article, one word is not given here in. Dr. Sen Gupta has been trying to master in the craft for the last 5 years. Next question. The top ranking candidates will be appointed in senior jobs in banks, not in senior jobs, for senior jobs in banks. So, the correct sentence is the top ranking candidates will be appointed for senior jobs in banks. Next example, she knows very well what is expected from her, but she is unable to perform. She knows very well. So, very well, two words are given. We can remove the very because well conveys the proper meaning for that sentence. So, she knows well what is expected from her, but she is unable to perform. And the last sentence, they will put on a note in this regard for your consideration. Not put on, but put in. So they will put in a note in this regard for your consideration. Now likewise we will spot such examples or such errors from the examples, and removing the incorrect words we will make it a proper sentence. Next question, third. Read the following sentences. Some sentences are given, and from that sentences or with the help of these sentences we are asked to convert these sentences into passive voice and to fill the blanks properly. Now I have done this paragraph already. For example, look at the first sentence. He linked the monitor, keyboard and printed. Now we know that for passive voice, if the tense is given in a present tense, then we will change it into past tense. If past tense is given, we will change it into past participle. So with the help of these things, we will change all the sentences and make the paragraph in a passive voice. Firstly, the monitor, keyboard and printer were linked up. Look at the first sentence. He linked the monitor, keyboard and printer. So the first sentence is done in a passive voice. Firstly, the monitor, keyboard and printer were linked up. So we used here were. Now second sentence, he plugged in the main cable on the monitor at the back. The monitor was switched on at the back. Next, when the light appeared on the screen, he placed the day disk in drive A. When the light appeared on the screen, the day. Next, he pushed in the disk until the button clicked out. The disk was pushed in until the button was clicked out. Likewise, remaining sentences are changed into passive voice. Look at all the sentences and try to change it in the passive voice.